Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Yuk Patel and today I'm going to teach you the basics of QBASIC. So let's get started. So to give an introduction to BASIC to you, BASIC is a high level computer language and it is very easy to learn and master. And BASIC stands for Beginners All Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. And if we talk about QBASIC stands for sorry QBASIC stands for Quick Beginners All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. Yes. So this is a QBASIC window, as you can see. QBASIC 32. So now I'm gonna tell you the components of QBASIC window because that's also an important part of learning QBASIC. So the first component is the menu bar, which is over here, as you can see. The menu bar contains options such as file, edit, view, search, run, and other options. And these options help you in creating and executing a QBasic program. And if you want to execute a program, you click on run and then you click on start over here after you write the whole program. The next component is name of the program, which as you can over see here, untitled. After we save our code, after we save our program, we give a name to it, and that will be the name of the program. But before we save it, when we haven't saved the program, it is always written as untitled. The next component is the work area, which of course where you type all the things over here. The place where you type the program. And the last component is the immediate window, which is over here. This thing here, as you can see, it is written OK. This whole box is the work area, and if there is a syntax error in any of the lines, then it will tell what is the error over here. And also we can type any code or any statement and then press enter over here to execute only that statement and not the whole program. So that is very useful. And yes, if our statements and everything is correct, then it will show OK, as you can see over here. So in QBasic there are constants and variables. So constants, as the name suggests, is a value that does not change during the execution of the program. And QBasic has two types of constants. The first is numeric constants, and the second is string constants. So numeric constants are constants numeric constants can be positive numbers, negative numbers. They can be with decimal points or they can be without decimal points. And string constants are basically a sequence of alphabets, digits, and characters such as hashtag and percentage. And yes, an important point about string constants is that they are enclosed in double quotes. For example, programming is fun. And as I've enclosed this in double quotes, this means that this is a string constant. And plus we can see that there are no digits or numbers mainly here, there are only letters. So we can tell that this is a string constant. And next, if we come to variables, then again variables, so first of all, a variable is assigned an area in the memory that can be used to store a value. And variables can be of two types. One is numeric variable and the second is string variable. So it's very easy. A numeric variable is a variable that stores a numeric constant, and a string variable is a variable that stores a string constant. And also there are certain rules for naming a variable, and I'll just tell them to you. The first is that the first letter, the first character of the variable name should be an alphabet. The variable names can consist of only letters of the English alphabet, digits, and the underscore character. And the last rule is that string variable names should have a dollar sign as the last character. For example, city, then there should be this dollar sign over here. Then only it would be counted as a string variable, or else it would be counted as a numeric variable. Like this variable city and the dollar sign, this means the string variable equals to say Agra. So this means that this string variable is storing the value, the string constant of Agra. I hope this is clear. And now we'll come to the QBASIC statements
for today's video, and now you have learned the basics of QBasic, and I hope you enjoyed learning. And in the next video we will learn about the statements in QBasic, the basic statements in QBasic which are used to make or write a program, because without it a program cannot be created. So next video will be more enjoyable, and see you then.